Aloha, brother.
Aloha.
What's your name?
Harrison.
Harrison, nice to meet you, man. Yeah, I have a couple bucks.
Good. I have $1.
What's the money for, dog?
Fuel money.
Fuel
for
money?
Walter, who's about to pick us up.
True that. So how are you two doing?
Fantastic.
Yeah, we're going on our way. Where are we headed, guys?
To the lava flow.
Really? Is that like at the southeast end of the island?
I believe so.
Good answer.
Here comes some more amigos.
Like Leon the Professional's glasses?
Yes, dude, I was just talking about the Leon the
That's what they looked like originally, and I was like, that's a badass film. So I want and like those are really cool glasses, so I wanted them. And then here there was a girl who's also from Massachusetts, but she was just visiting, and she did wire wrap really well, so I had her wire wrap it. And it just had a hole right there at first.
Wow, so you actually had those handmade.
And then somebody gave me a ruby that just fit it perfectly, and it hasn't come out.
That's cool, man. So how many pineapples or coconuts is that so far since you got here? Well over 100?
I think yesterday might have been the best day I've had since I've been here. It could have started with Makulu Farmers Market, then it might have been perfect.
Really feeling like my life started sad. They wanna chime in, but don't know shit, just pipe down. Cherish moments where we can just wind down. So close to my goals, I can taste them. Said it every time, though there's beauty in the patience. So fair, across the nations. Haters frosted the way they all flaking. Watch me level up with homies right beside. Babe, you a real one, you a ride or die. Everybody's crazy, we live in this society. CBD edibles help with the anxiety. Full speed in my top down fur. Shawty stop popping pills and knowing smokes purr. No problem with y'all at all work. Used to be Cajun, but we as free as the birds now. All those bridges, yeah, it's good that they burnt down. Cause if they didn't, we'd probably be in the dirt now. Night sky illuminates when you smile. I don't mind if we kick it up here a while.
Right on, right on. Right on, right on.
Yeah. Let them know, man. Jcast. Let them know, man. We go. Supersonic. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Let's get Hey, showdown, and we got this, so let's go supersonic. Stay ballin', regardless. Yo, why are you stallin'? Why you so afraid? It's time to show 'em what we made. Get a lightning.
What's up, brother?
Not much, man.
It's pretty gnarly being here, bro.
Oh yeah. Ow. Nice.
Who is this?
This is Jimmy Cliff.
Never heard of them.
You can jump from 1 foot to the other, about 10 feet in the air.
Rhoda, is this your first time here?
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
Excited.
Look at that.
The energy.
Definitely.
It's so funny, like, it's like how Harrison was saying. When we were kids, we used to say, don't step in the lava. Or like,
Oh, hot lava. Yeah, yeah.
and now we're literally hot lava.
It's quite
The irony.
the irony of the full circle experience, eh?
Right?
That fire stay blazing, time to flow, and honestly it's not a problem. Yo, I be high on fire bolts like I'm Harry Potter. That's that Quidditch, yeah. I'm catching stitches, yeah. I be chiefing on that leaf, that's that spinach, yeah. Sup girl, sup dudes, let's get tuned up. They don't know I'm rolling on my doobie doos. It's cool, let's kick it on the roof, yeah. Full moon tonight, stars and view tonight. Be feeling extra high when I'm on this mic. My target in sight, about to make it dynamite.
Sylvia, this is your first time here.
Yeah. Oh.
What's it like? Well, how do you feel? Just look at these
Magical.
things.
So fresh. So rewarding.
The air out here is so much better than back home in Chicago.
So clean. So clean.
Hello, hello, hello. Aloha. Hello.
Share your inner shine, then come with me on the Starship Enterprise showdown. We got this, so let's go subsonic. Stay ballin', regardless. Yo, why are you stalling? Why you so afraid? It's time to show 'em what we made. Gotta light it like rated.
So hard to go home.
Blaze